How to disable Microsoft OneDrive. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Take It Simple. In this video, I will teach you guys how you can disable your Microsoft OneDrive account. So let's get right into the video. Before starting the video, make sure that your OneDrive application is up to date. Just open your OneDrive application. Once you open your application, this type of interface will be appeared on your screen. Make sure that you are logged in into your account before starting the process. Now if you are logged in into your account, at the top left corner you can see your profile. Click on it. And here you will see the different options on the screen. Among the different options, click on Settings option. Once you are here under the Account Center, you can see your account. Click on it. Now finally, in order to disable your Microsoft OneDrive account, here are two options. You can either delete your account or you can also sign out your account. So if you want to permanently disable your Microsoft OneDrive account, you can tap on Delete Account option. But if you want to disable your account for this short period of time, you can tap on Sign Out. You can choose any of the option from your preference. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.